Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MySQL DB tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn in MySQL how to configure the point-in-time recovery PITR using the Percona XtraBackup and binary logs from a full backup and across two Linux server. Means one server we are using the running MySQL database, and second server will go for the point-in-time recovery. So first question is that what is the Percona XtraBackup? So Percona XtraBackup is the open source free tool used for backupping in the MySQL or MariaDB databases. So you can use the same tool for the MySQL and MariaDB databases, and particularly those using the InnoDB and XtraDB storage engine. So it's allowed to the non-blocking hot backups, meaning that database backup remain operational and process transactional while the backup is running. So hot backup we can take, and if the offers various backup type including full, incremental, compressed and streaming backup. So I'll go through the one by one process on that. First in this video we'll go for the PITR, point in time recovery. So there is a step by step process for the point in time recovery using the Percona XtraBackup, and we'll use the binary logs and we'll use the secondary server for the uh, restore the point in time recovery. So we have two server, primary server 192.168.224.128 and second server is 192.168.224.129. So first server, this is a main server where MySQL, my database is running, and second server is there is a, will go for the PITR, point in time recovery. And here I am using the MySQL version latest assume 8.x, and MySQL user root and password will use the admin@123. So let me access both the server. Both the servers I am running in the my VMware workstation, node 1 and node 2, name of that, and I know the IP. While installing, we have given the IP. So this is the IP. So let me connect with the CMD SSH DPT at the rate 128. So DPT my user and admin@123 is the password. While installing, we have given. So I am going for the root root login. So sudo. So second server 129 home SSH DPT at the rate. So 129 is the my second server. So this one node 1 and node 2. So we have primary and secondary. I'm going to give the name. So rename this one and give the primary. This IP is 128. And second server, this server is recovery server. So this the IP is 129, and change the tab color. I'm giving red. So this is the 128 and this is a 129, both the servers. So side by side, I'm going to run this one. So install MySQL on the both the servers. So I'm going to run this one, this command. So this the for the update and install the MySQL server. Why I'm giving the permission and enabling the MySQL and starting the MySQL. This is the command. Run all the command in once. And then we'll move to the set the root password or MySQL secure installation. So we'll secure the installation. So MySQL installing. So you can able to see here MySQL server. So this is the latest database I'm installing for the 24.04 LTS. So this is installing MySQL Server Core 8.0.42. So go to your primary server. So run this command and secure installation. Let it complete. So MySQL Server Core 8.0 is installing there. So secondary server is completed. Primary server taking uh, some time. So just go through the documentation. So here we'll just secure the MySQL installation. Then we'll just change the root password or set the root password. So here you can able to see there is a run the following command. So I'll just log in with the sudo MySQL. Then we'll just alter the user root for the local host, and we'll just with the MySQL native password, and we'll just give the password is admin at the rate 123, and then we'll apply the changes. For the applying the changes, we'll just run the plus privileges and exit. Then we'll try to log in with the MySQL. Then you should now be promoted the for the password admin at the rate 123, because we have set the password here. So now copy this one, near about to complete. Okay, completed. Now I'm going through this. So validate password, no. Remove the anonymous user, yes. Disallow remote login, yes. Remove the test database user, reload the privileges, done. Same thing I'll do the with the secondary server. So no, yes. Disallow, yes. Remove test databases, yes. Reload privileges, yes. Next, I'll just set the password for MySQL. So just log in the both the server and just run this command up to here. This is a single line. So we have set the password in the both the server, and just apply the changes for the plus privileges, whatever you have done with the configuration. So exit. Now done. Now you try to test login. So just try, and without password it's not allowing. So if you give the password admin at the rate 123, it will allow to log in. Okay. So done. Now restart the MySQL and then confirm the user details. Both the server you will get the plugin MySQL native password, because we have set here MySQL native password. Okay, you can check both the server will get the same. Now in the step 2 128 for the backup and binary log, we will configure the MySQL on primary. So just open your configuration file. This is a configuration file path. Just open this and go to the server ID. Server ID enable one, and just binlog. So enable this and add this to binary log format and expire log. So done. Now Control X, Y and save. Now restart the MySQL. So completed. Next, now I'm going to take the physical backup on the primary with the extra backup, and install the extra backup also. We'll do that. So first I'll just log in and I'll create the database. Done. Now create the test DB, use test DB. Now create a table, employee table, and insert some data. Done. Now run this select query and we'll get the 3 rows. Now I'm going to install the Percona XtraBackup 8.0. So let me download the Debian, exit. Let me Debian file, give the permission and installing. Okay. Now I'm going to update. Update is done. Now setup release. Again, we have to update the packages. Now finally, we are going to install the Percona XtraBackup 8.0 means 80. So we need the Percona in the second server also. Meanwhile, I'm going to install the second server. Same thing, I'll just going to run and same command in below also. So Debian file, giving the permission, running the file. Something showing the log. So I'm going to restart the server, or you can kill the process. Let me restart, better option. So here Percona XtraBackup is going to be installed. Now let me access the server. Okay, so we'll just wait for complete the Percona XtraBackup. How much time it will take? Okay, so this one is completed. So now I'm going to the back for the backup. So run this command. So there is a backup folder slash backup folder. It will back up the data. Enter. Okay, completed. Okay. Now I'm going to prepare. So completed. Okay. Now we need to transfer the backup to secondary server. So this server, let me start getting interrupted problem. Okay. So now again I'm going to start. So first server we have backup is completed and prepare also completed. Now we need to transfer the backup to the secondary server. So wait, let it start. So started. Now let me access this server. Not this one, secondary server, recovery server. So let me run the command one by one again. So first let me complete this path. So transfer. So here LL, we don't have any backup folder or these things. So now I'm going to transfer this one backup folder to DP inside the DPT. So yes, admin at the rate 123. So all the files are completed. Now log into your database in the primary server. Use testdb and add two more rows. So added. Now check with the employee list. Previously we have a 3, now added 2. Means or total 2 we have a 5 rows. Now copy the binary logs from primary server to recovery server. So let me list the okay, sorry. I have to exit and let me list the binary logs. So there is a 1 and 2 binary logs are there. So now I'm going to copy the binary logs inside the DPT folder. Sir, done. So this is also completed. Now set up the recovery server. So we have already downloaded this one. Let me check. LL. Okay, already downloaded. Now give the permission. Then run this command to installation for the Debian file. Now update the package. Done. Now Percona release setup. And again update the package. And finally, we are going to install the Percona XtraBackup. So in the primary, we have copied the extra backup, full backup, and we have copied the binary logs. So these are the bin logs. So copied both the things. So let it complete for an extra backup. After that, we'll just in the secondary server, we'll stop the MySQL. We'll restore the physical full backup using the extra backup, and we'll remove all the files and we'll move the files to the on there. Okay, completed. Now I'm going to stop the MySQL on the second server. Then I'm removing the MySQL library. Then now moving the binary logs to that file. Also done. Giving the permission, ownership permission, and finally I'm running the extra backup copy back to the target directory. So completed. Okay. So just remember this this one, and now give the permission. So done. Now start the MySQL. Now login MySQL -u root -p admin@123. So databases. So you will get the test database hello. So you test db. Now select extract from employees. We have employees table. So we have a 3 rows only. Here you can able to see here we have 5 rows. So what we have to do, exit from here. Now I am going to apply the binary logs. So for the binary logs, I can run this command. I don't know the position, so I will remove the position here and I'll run this. I'll I'll just run, and if you know the time, then you can run with the time. So I'm just apply the binary logs. Okay. Now again, let me log in. And you can apply the binary multiple binary logs, and with the time also you can check as per your requirement. So just use testdb employees, so you can able to see all the files are there now. 5 rows are there now. Previously we have 3 rows. With the binary restoration we will get the all the files. Okay, so we got that. So in this video we have learned how to configure the point-in-time recovery in MySQL using the Percona XtraBackup and binary log from the full backup across the 2 Linux server. So step-by-step process is given there. So go through the step-by-step and follow the video, all the steps, so you will get the all the outputs. So and not follow the process shown in the video. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you.